Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll need to log into your account to access all the editing features and templates available on the platform. After logging in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find thousands of pre-made templates for any purpose you need. Click on the search bar and type Instagram quote into it. This search will bring up a variety of quote templates specifically designed for Instagram posts. Once you've typed it in, press enter to see all the available options. Now you'll see a collection of quote templates displayed on your screen. Take a moment to browse through them and find one that catches your eye. When you find a simple quote template you like, hover over it to reveal more options. In the preview panel that appears, click on Customize this template. This action will open the template in Canva's editor, where you can start making your personalized changes. Once the editor loads, you'll see the template laid out on your canvas. Now it's time to edit the main quote text. Double-click on the big quote text in the design. This will highlight the text and allow you to make changes. Go ahead and type your own quote or message that you want to display. After you're done typing, click outside the text box to deselect it and see how your new text looks within the design. If your template includes an author attribution or a name field, you'll want to edit that as well. Double-click on the author text, then type your pen name or whatever name you'd like to credit. Once you've entered your name, click outside the text box to apply the changes. This ensures your quote is properly attributed to you. Now, if you want to add a personal touch to your design, you can change the background color. Click on an empty area of the canvas, which is the background itself. This will select the background element. In the top toolbar, you'll notice a color square appear. Click on that color square to open the color picker. In the left panel, you'll see a range of colors to choose from. Click on any color you like, for example, a light blue, and watch as your background instantly updates to reflect your choice. This simple change can dramatically alter the mood and feel of your design. Once you're happy with all your edits, it's time to download your design. In the top right corner of the screen, click on Share. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Download. A new panel will open where you can select your file type. In the File Type dropdown, choose PNG, which is ideal for sharing on social media platforms like Instagram. Finally, click the Download button, and your customized quote will be saved to your device. You may need to wait a few seconds for the file to process and download completely. And that's it. You've successfully edited a template in Canva and created a personalized quote design. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.